5 surprising uses for potatoes. Potatoes are a popular ingredient in many dishes throughout the world. They are excellent sources of vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, phosphorus, niacin, and pantothenic acid. But as it turns out, potatoes have many other uses outside the kitchen. Here are 5 surprisingly weird but practical uses for potatoes. 1. Reduce puffy eyes. Let's be real, we all have puffy eyes from time to time in the morning. There are several causes of puffy eyes: crying, staying up too late, an allergic reaction, excessive sleep, or tired eyes from watching television or reading a book. But have no fear. Whatever the reason may be, potatoes can help. The starch within the potato can reduce puffiness. This is called an anti-inflammatory because it reduces swelling. Here is how to use potatoes to reduce those puffy eyes. Peel one large potato and cut it into slices. Chill the slices in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Lie down and place the cold potato slices on your eyes. Wait 10 minutes and reapply again. If needed, repeat until puffiness goes away. 2. Fade dark spots. Just as with the puffy eyes, potatoes can help fade dark spots under your eyes or on your skin. The nutrients and vitamins found within potatoes help keep your skin pores clear of any dirt, dust, debris, and germs. The potato starch helps to remove age spots and dark spots on your face. Interestingly, it is also can fade a suntan. It is easy to apply. Slice a raw potato, rub it over your face and let the juice sit for 10 minutes. Rinse your face gently. Pat dry with a towel. Do this once daily to get rid of any dark spots on your face. Use this face mask once a week. 3. Make a hot or cold compress. Potatoes can hold hot and cold temperatures for an extended length of time. Thus, they can be used as a hot or cold compress. To make a hot compress, bake or boil a potato. Wrap it up in a clean cloth. Use it as a hot compress on those aching muscles or other painful areas. For a cold compress, refrigerate a boiled potato for at least 1 hour. Wrap the chilled potato in a clean cloth or sock. Use as needed. 4. Absorb excess salt from food. When cooking, it is easy to make mistakes. Sometimes, you can add too much salt to your dish, which could ruin the taste of your meal that you worked hard on. Don't worry, potatoes can come to the rescue and save your dish. Do not throw away your dish. Simply use some raw potatoes and save your creation. Grab some raw potatoes and follow these directions to remove excess salt from your dish. Remove the peel and cut some potatoes into thick pieces. Add the raw potatoes to the prepared soup or stew. Allow the pot to simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove the potatoes. Your dish will have the perfect salt amount. 5. Remove food stains from hands. How often do you peel carrots or beetroots, chop berries, carve a pumpkin or use turmeric powder? After you use them, you will likely have stained hands, but you do not need to scrub your hands excessively or just live with stains on your hands. Unbelievably, potatoes can help. Here's how. Simply rub your hands with the open side of a cut potato for a couple of minutes. Wait another 10 minutes to allow the potato juice to do its work. Finally, rinse your hands well with water.